Good morning, friends, students, fellow traders. I greet you all. My name is Samuel Okoye-Ocha, communicating from Biafra in West Africa. Time now is 10:53 a.m. Saturday, 18th day of September 2021. I want to bring you crypto analysis. Technical analysis of cryptocurrencies. Okay, I will touch Bitcoin, Ethereum USD, Ethereum BTC, Ripple, BNB, Litecoin, Doji, ETH, CHZ, CRO, ADA, and the SHIBS. So the rest, you can use the idea from Bitcoin and Ethereum to understand the rest. Okay, so I start immediately. Bitcoin, we have 5 waves to move on Bitcoin. I didn't label all, but you can see we have 5 waves from here to here. So, and according to Elliott Wave ideology or strategy, whenever we get 5 waves, we have 3 waves correction. You can see we are getting a wave A. Wave B will likely end within this level. Wave B, here is the standard level of wave B, this blue box. But if it can go deeper, it will likely not go above here. If it goes above here, we may not get wave C again. It means that this is A, B, C. So, but such a move is rare. So we always get the standard move. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop to this level. And if it happens like that, maybe this pattern will come in play. This harmonic pattern will come in play. Then after that, the price will go higher. So that's forecast, that's expectation. It doesn't mean that things cannot happen and we get a sharp move again like this. It's possible. But we first look at what is obtainable before we take a look at other possibilities. Okay, so that's for Bitcoin. Ethereum, we have similar structure on Ethereum. On Ethereum, we have similar structure. Okay, so on Ethereum, this wave is 5 waves, and this will be an A, B, C. This will be an A, B, C. So, and from what we are looking at now, Ethereum has the B level has come to play. Then on the second look, we might have a deeper B level, which means this very move can come deeper and come to this level and turn back. So whichever way, if you are a technical trader, if you are an emerging trader, my advice is that you sell Ethereum BTC, BTC USD for now. Or if you must buy, you wait for this high to be cleared. Because unless I get a reasonable 3 waves pullback, which is something like this, I will not talk about buying Ethereum. For those who trade it on margin. Myself, I hardly trade the coin on margin, but sometimes I trade. I'm giving these ideas for those who trade the margin and for those who are investors. Maybe you might like to wait for it to drop so that you buy at a better price and make more profit in the long run. So third possibility is that, this is a channel, it has broken, and anyway, there are no third possibilities. I only have one possibility. This comes from here, or it goes deeper and turn. So that's the only thing I have about Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum BTC. This is only for those who trade the margin, not for everybody. If you're a margin trader, I want to give you an idea of what I see on the chart. As technical analysts, we look at charts and forecast what will happen next. Okay, so on this, from here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 waves. We have 5 waves here. And then after 5 waves, we have 3 waves. Now we have gotten a minor 3 waves, A, B, C. But this minor 3 waves is not the standard we always look at. We always look at a standard. And in that regard, we are looking at something like this. So in my own calculation, this is a bigger A, then this is B. Then the Y will drop to this low. Then if something happens that it doesn't get to this low, it can turn from this low. So we have 2 options, either from here or from here. So, but I will advise you, if you turn from here, don't be in a haste to buy. Let me show you something more. So what I want to show you is this: if we BTC turn from this level, don't be in a haste to buy, because it can come here and turn and complete this move, or maybe keep doing this until it goes to this level. It's possible, it can happen. So the best thing to do is, if it turns from this level, then wait for it to break this and give us correction before you buy. So you don't lose your money. All I'm doing is that you don't lose your money. Okay. So we move to the next is Ripple, XRP. In XRP, we are looking at a further drop. The same, see, this very sharp drop made many, let me check daily on the XRP. Let's go back to 4 hours. This very sharp drop caused a delay in buying. So the currency will be going sideways for some time before it finally goes up. So the areas we are looking at is 1. Let me show you this. The first thing we expecting is this move from here to here. Then from here, we can come down to this level. So watch out for a move towards this level. That is from here to this level. Then from here, we expect it to drop towards this level or any place below here. So we will likely get some move to this level. After that, we will get a move below this level. It may come to this place or come down to this level. So for now, we keep watching to know how it develops. Please note this very harmonic structure is just an anticipation, and it is still too early. I just draw it for my own purpose. So don't keep your mind on it. If you know about harmonics, it's still early to draw it, but I know why I draw it. So focus on what I just told you. For a move up to this level, then from there to this level or this level before buying, before it goes up again. That's my own forecast on XRP. We go to BNB. On BNB, you know, they are almost saying the same thing. All the coin, the move from here is 5 waves move. Though anyway, I didn't label it, but this very drop caused a problem for buyers. You know, if you are an emerging trader and you know how to read your charts, when market is buying, you're buying and make profit. When market is selling, you sell and make profit. So we technical traders and margin traders, we don't have much problem. Whether it is falling or buying, we don't care much. Okay, it's only the investors we care, because they only make profit when the market goes up. So we are expecting an A, B, C to commit the wave B, then from there wave C before this. So bear in mind that BNB will possibly come to 460, 470, 450, then drop again to 340 or below. So if it begins to happen, don't be surprised. And all this is bound to happen unless something happens and we have a sharp move up. I mean, this type of move that happened here, happen anywhere sharp and take us and give us a new higher high. If not, this will definitely happen. Okay, so bear that in mind. Having said that, we move to the next. Litecoin. Litecoin has completed, is almost completed ABC. You know, I don't know why this happened, but that's one of the things I tell you, unless we have a sharp move. This is a typical example. If this type of move can happen again and the close, you know, it went up and dropped the same day. So it couldn't close above here. Had it been it closed above here, we will not be looking at the price to come down again. So, but now we have gotten an A, B, then the C. In my opinion, the wave C will still drop to this level before this buying. So in many other coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, many have easier to complete their wave B. But this are compared the wave B, looking for wave C to complete before buying starts again. So the structure in coins are so interesting these days. If you are a technical trader and you trade margin trading, if your portfolio can carry cryptos in margin, you start to make money. But you know, you need education. You need to know what you have to do to make the money. Else, you lose the one you have. So that's the truth. Now this is Doge. Doge has completed 3 waves, double zigzag. You can see A, B, C. Or you can label this WXY. It doesn't matter much. But it's more important that we have gotten 3 waves move, another 3 waves or 5 waves move back. And this wave have covered the level we are looking at. So even if it drops, it may not go below this level. So on Doge, I'm only looking for, this is the next move. The only problem we have is that it can linger. The move can linger. That's the only problem we have. The move can linger and the linger. I don't know, because of this sharp drop. Okay, so whatever it's trying to do, so it can linger before it begins to go up, maybe something like this. So that's what I'm looking for on Doge. The next is this ETN. ETN if I've been following my analysis, you can see this line have been here for a very long time. Okay, and I told you that Ethereum will make a move between here and here, and after that, we look for what will happen next. And we have seen after much delay. That's when I tell you that the price, just like what I told you about on Doge, the price will go, but it may linger. It will take time to complete the development before it begins to move. So, you know, we always know what will happen, but you may not know when it will happen. And I think it is an advantage to know what will happen. Then you patiently you wait for when it will happen. Okay. So this is triangle. This wave 2 is triangle. So we're given wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So now we are looking at A, B, C. I assume that wave A is complete. So wave B is forming. So this just I just place it here. The wave B can end below. The wave B might have ended here. I don't want to presume. The wave C is what we are, or it can still come up before it drop. So we are looking at 3 waves. The 3 waves we are looking at about. The wave B might have ended here, then it will be like this. But most likely, we are looking at that it will come up to this level before dropping. So we don't have much to say on ETN. Other than that, we are waiting for this wave to complete. Then buying will continue. Okay, so that's all for ETN. Next is CHZ. CHZ, Chile's Tetanus. Just as I always say, this big red drop caused a problem about bullish move. So in my opinion, this is the WXY. So let me label it. This is W, this is X, and the Y will complete the B wave. The wave Y will complete the B wave. Then after, can you have one more? So we're looking at we are waiting for wave B to complete. Then after that, wave C. The buying will continue. So one thing you must know about cryptos now is that there will be a lot of sideways move, time wasting. So if you are thinking, if you're waiting for the crypto to begin going up, it will, but you may somehow you may have to wait. You may have to wait. This is one of the reasons I encourage you guys to learn technical trading, how to trade. So as you are waiting for cryptos to peak, you can be trading forex and making money, but you know sometimes we find it difficult to invest in knowledge. Mostly we Africans, but anyway, that's the choice we make. I always say that I can teach anybody now that I have time to teach. Time will come when I will not have time to teach, and they may like to learn from me. But it will be late. Though there are many teachers out there, But the point is, who will tell you the truth? Who will teach you so that, who will be willing to teach you so that you learn? So that's the thing. Africans should learn how to invest in knowledge. Okay, so we move. The next is this CRO. CRO currently, CRO is yet to complete the 5 waves moves, and now this wave B is complete. So I'm now looking for, let me label it. WX. So I'm now looking for wave C to drop. Okay, as a matter of fact, here is the confirmation level. The selling starts when the price comes down here. Okay, that's for margin traders anyway. So look for set entry if you are a margin trader on CRO. Expect it to drop to this level before the buying resumes. Okay. Okay. Sorry for the daughter. She's always fond of me. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Now, VET and the CRO is almost the same structure, so you don't need to waste time on it again. A, B, C. So no difference. No difference. We're looking for with B to complete. Then it drop. Then go up. So no much. After that, I'll do SHIBS, then I will conclude. Okay, on ADA, what we have here is that we have 2 options here. One, this is with A. Then with B might have completed. Then with C have started to drop. Secondly, this is with A of with B. That is with A, with B, with C. So in corrective, whenever market is correcting, you may not able to tell. If you don't have the knowledge, you may not be able to tell when it will finish. So now, either with B have completed here, it's possible. Then if that is the case, then the dropping will continue to drop. Else, it may like to make a double correction. Now this is W, then this is X, then here will be Y, making it an A, B, C. Before we have the big A, B, C. So hope you understand. I don't know how else to explain it to you. Okay, so but whichever way, if you are trading margin on ADA, I would advise you to keep aside until it develops finish. So if you are trading margin on ADA, what you do is you wait. If the price comes up to this level, you look for sell. After selling, you now buy again. So that's for ADA. And the final one is SHIBS. When we do SHIBS, we conclude. Maybe in the evening, I'll try to do cryptos. Sorry, forex and other instruments. I cannot cover them this now. Okay. Shiba. Shiba, I don't know. I can't understand. Shiba is performing below expectation. I said it before, and I said it again. Shiba is performing below expectation, but meanwhile, technically, we are looking at this move. So that's all I can. That's all I see now. Another drop. Then after that, the buying starts until Shiba gets to the highest high. It is still performing below expectation. We expect Shiba to come to this level again. 0.00, 0.000. How much is this? 40. 4 zeros, 499. Until Shiba comes back to this level, it is still not performing well. So until it comes to that level, for now, let's look at what happens within this channel. So whether maybe we might have this type of move again, it will help. Okay, if not, be patient on Shiba. I have a lot of Shiba. I will also be patient on Shiba. What is anything about coin is that when you want to buy coin, you must be prepared. I made a free lesson of what you have to know before you buy or sell cryptocurrencies. But people don't care to know about it. The lesson is what have been free on YouTube, but I have put it down. I will now upload it to Udemy and sell it because such knowledge is rare. But I give it out to my fellow Africans. And I was surprised after about 2 months, 80 views. I said, what? Maybe people don't know the value. I put it down. So soon I will upload it on Udemy and sell to make money for myself, because I know people else in the world is looking for the knowledge. I always give you free here. Okay, for those my contact is always below the video description. After watching the YouTube, below it, you will always see my details, links to my Telegram channel, link to my Telegram channel is there. You subscribe. From time to time, I share free trades. I mean, free trades, something like, I don't like to make signal, but I'll show you what to do. Maybe when the market is developing, I will tell you, do this. I do it free. I have 2 Telegram channels, the free one and the one for students. So whichever one you are looking at, join the free one. Then if you're willing to learn, then you now send me a message. This number is also at the description of the video. You also see my number. This is personal number, both on WhatsApp, on Telegram. The number is there. Chat me up, we discuss. You need knowledge. To succeed in this business, you need knowledge. Following coins randomly, you may be lucky and be making money, but when you gain the knowledge, the required knowledge, that's when you will make the money. Anyway, thank you for listening. God bless you. Trade with care, invest wisely. Bye. How many other words? The can. CAN. Sorry. CAN. N. The cat. CAT.